I put that on my mama, on my hood. I look fly, I look good. I kinda like you.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Okay, before I even introduce myself to you guys, the first thing I want to say is, how long do you think denim has been around, like in existence? Denim has been in existence since May 20, 1873. Wow. So the first people that introduced denim to the world is obviously Levi. We can always see how they always have different denim styles and all of that. Okay, and they're one of like the longest brand that's always like produced denim jean products and all of that. So guys, today, thinking of how denim jeans has never gone out of vogue, like it has been around ever since, it's still around, and it still will be around for a very long time more. So I decided to like put some looks together, you know, coming from sophisticated looks, classy looks, elegant looks, and of course chic looks. Okay, so yeah, this is one of the looks that we're gonna like be talking about today, and so many other more. And of course, I'm sure you're gonna find your style. I'm sure not everybody can rock this. People that can rock this can always, you know, get the tips for how to create this. And for people that want other look that they would like to rock, stay tuned. Styling makes something that is ordinary to become extraordinary. Okay, styling denim is very versatile. We have denim skirts, we have denim pants, trouser, we have the one that pencil, different types of denim to always style. So it's gonna be a bombast today. Back to my introduction. Your girl Modella here again. I'm a YouTuber based in Lagos, Nigeria, and I create content about my lifestyle, beauty, fashion content like this one we're having today, vlogs, and a lot more. So if you like this content, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share this video with people that it will help, and let's get right into the video. So guys, for this particular look, because of the fact that the trouser is big and I want to reduce it a bit because I want to like lean towards like a more femme look for this one, I'm just gonna like take this buttonhole, I'm gonna take it behind this particular belt hole, and I'm just gonna button it up. Okay, after I button this up, I'm just gonna like kind of like make this part firm so that it's not like saggy or trying to like, you know, be bulky over there. So now this is what it's giving. It's giving a little bit more firm vibe. What is a how to style a denim look without one style arc? Another denim. So we're doing denim on denim. We're trying two looks together. So I'm gonna like introduce this. So now this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take this trouser across my neck like this. Then at the back, I'm gonna cross it at the back. Cross it like this. Okay. So I'm gonna like wear this belt over it. I'm bringing like the two part of the trouser underneath the top, and I'm placing the top on it, and I'm like trying to like snatch the belt in. We actually have gotten this out of the way. It looks really beautiful in my opinion. This is a creative way to wear your denim. So I'm just gonna like wear these hoops on it, and of course wearing flattering earrings too is a very good thing, like when you wear your denims, because you want it popping, you want something that will like make it come out really beautiful. And I love the style that this style arc is giving. So it's giving style arc on style arc, right? It's beautiful. I love. So I'm gonna wear a black shoe and a black bag with this. So guys, I'm gonna have to wear this black pump. I'm just close to this mirror because I want you to kind of like see the shoes I'm wearing. These are the shoes I'm wearing, and carrying this Jacquemus bag. This is definitely a street style, a beautiful street style that can stand out. Not everybody can pull this look, but if you can, I think you should. Okay, don't be boring with your denim styling. I mean, this is beautiful. Look at the vibe that it's giving. I mean, look at it. Look at what we created. Okay, so look number one. So guys, for this particular look, this is giving business casual. So if you're not really like the jiggy kind of person, you want to give classy and denim, you want to give sophisticated, this is what you should go for. Can you see like how everything is sitting well? I have this blazer on, I have the denim jean, this one is from Levi's, and I have this little corset thingy going on. I mean, it could be a, what do they call that thing? I can't remember. If I remember the name, I'm gonna put it on the screen. Then I have this like a little Jacquemus bag, just to like, you know, add a little bit of texture and color to the video. Okay, so this is sophisticated. I have white shoes on to fit the camisole. Yeah, the camisole is what I was trying to do, what I was trying to remember. So yeah, this is the look for our sophisticated look. If you want to look elegant, sophisticated, just throw that blazer on. And I know that a lot of people don't really like wear pencil. This is not like so pencil, but it's still like a pencil jean. It is still pretty, it is still flattering. All that matters is how you style it, okay? If you are an office person, you actually like to dress business casual kind of person, this is the look to go for, okay? This is it. It looks pretty. This is the full look, okay? This look is to die for. This is chic, elegant, and sophisticated. This is another look. This sweater is from Levi's, and I'm wearing this Levi's sneakers on it. It's more like a, should I say, a corduroy sneakers. That's what it looks like. It's really pretty. And yes, so look at what this look is like this. You could go out like this, but if you want to make it even a little more flattering, just get yourself a little like black band like this. Can you see? And just tie it behind, okay? Just so it makes it pop more and give you, you know, accentuate your body in a very cute way, and you're still slaying, you're still wearing, and just like tuck it in like this, okay? Can you see what it's giving? Remember what I spoke about, making a look, an ordinary look, turning it into an extraordinary look, okay? So this is what this is giving. If you wear this with like a crossbag or something, it's gonna eat, like it's gonna be really pretty. So yeah, on a casual day, it's cold today, you just want to chill out, you just want to like go out, this is the look to go for. And it looks pretty. Pairing with this Jacquemus bag, you know, carrying it as a cross bag, just take a look at the beauty, okay? Can you see how beautiful it is? The shoe and the bag is matching. It does not have to always be matchy, but it's just pretty the way it's like coming out, and the way it's like, you know, in sync with the look. And yeah, so this look is a go-to look. Let me know in the comment section if you would rock this look out and where to. Guys, this is a sign that you should always have a black bag in your closet. Can you see how this Jacquemus bag has been fitting every look? Okay, now so we have this combat pants, this combat denim trouser, and it looks really beautiful. I mean, look at the way it's accentuating my body. Pairing it with these black boots, beautiful, and with this Levi crop top. So a lot of times, depending on how you want to style your combat, denim on denim for combat are always beautiful. Crop top on denim for combat, love it. So this is the look. I mean, for this one, you can wear this if you're traveling, you can wear this on a casual date. It is beautiful, it is classy still, and it is chic, okay? So I mean, the way I just like wore this bag with it is just giving it a dress up look, not dress down, dress up, okay? Beautiful, and I love this look. You should try this, okay? Let me know in the comment section if this is already your style or you're gonna try this on. Like, it is giving, it is really, really giving, okay? So these are the boots, this boots, okay. Guys, another go-to look is definitely a denim skirt and a high boot. Like, I see how this high boot is like bringing out the look of the skirt, and I'm pairing with this Jacquemus bag, and of course this cardigan top, and it's tucked in a very saggy way, you know, just to like give the vibe. Look at this. This is definitely a chic look. I mean, imagine stepping out like this, imagine going to a fashion show like this, all eyes will be on you, period. So like, I just love how beautiful the skirt is, like, you know, complementing the top, the boots, and the bag. You see these cardigan tops, they never go out of vogue. I mean, you can wear them in different seasons, different times. This one is like really light, so I mean, breeze air can penetrate in through this, and it's really beautiful. I mean, you can throw a t-shirt into it, like, or a proper shirt, whatever you like. This is always in vogue, and it's always a yes. So guys, thanks for watching to the end. I hope you learned one thing or the other on how to style your denim in this video. And if this video was helpful to you, don't forget to share with your friends, people that you feel might benefit from this video, and don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel for more. If you want a part 2, tell me in the comment section. I'll definitely bring it to you. Gonna see you in my next video. Bye guys.